This is the fifth part of our second lesson on saying please. And this part will start from this line. For there are few things. And this line is on page number 15, second paragraph, line number 11. Now listen carefully. For there are few things more catching than bad temper and bad manners. So what is the meaning of bad temper? Look at here. Bad temper, it means anger or angry. Bad temper and bad manners. So the writer is telling here us that in our life there is not only bad temper, anger and bad manners, it means rude behavior. There are few other things also which are attracting our attention. When Sir Anthony Absolute bullied, the meaning of this word is given here, threaten, speak in bad words. Absolute bullied Captain Absolute, the latter. Look at the meaning of latter. Meaning of this word in this lesson is denoting the second mention of the people. Bullied Captain Absolute, the latter went out and bullied his man Fag, whereupon Fag went out downstairs and kicked the page boy. Look at the meaning of page boy. It means a boy servant usually in uniform. So how person express his anger? For that there is given one incident. Sir Anthony Absolute spoke in bad words to Captain Absolute. So Captain Absolute wanted to express his anger, therefore he went out and he spoke very badly to his man, to his employee, to his servant Fag. And after that Fag also wanted to express his anger, therefore he went out of that room, that office, and after that there was a page boy, it means there was a boy servant. He kicked that boy servant and somehow he expressed his pain, his anger, somehow he removed his pain or anger. Probably the man who said talk to the lift man was really only getting back on his employer who had not said good morning to him, because he himself had been henpicked. Look at the meaning of henpicked. It means woman, harass, man. Another meaning is wife, harass, husband. Handpicked at breakfast by his wife, to whom the cook had insolent. The meaning of this word is given here, very rude, behave very rudely. Because the housemaid, what is the meaning of housemaid? a female servant who cleans house. Housemaid had answered very back, her back. Now look at it. How the incident happened of throwing that passenger out of the lift. So first, probably the man who said talk to the lift man was really getting back on his employer. It means the person who entered into the lift and only said talk to the lift man. He didn't say talk please to the lift man. So there may be he was angry. Why? Because his employer, it means his boss, didn't say good morning to him that morning, and therefore he was angry. So maybe there is possibility that boss also was sad or angry. Why? Because his wife had some kind of dispute, some kind of argument at his breakfast. Therefore the boss was angry, and therefore the boss didn't say good morning to that person. So why the boss wife behaved very rudely with that boss? Because they had a servant in their house, and that servant didn't behave nicely with that lady. He behaved very rudely at that morning. Therefore that lady was very angry. She was sad. She expressed her sadness, her anger on her husband. He was the boss of some people, some employees, and he expressed his anger on those people, those employees. In this way, this incident happened. Because the housemaid had answered her back. And why that servant was very angry? Sad, because there was a housemaid, a female servant in that house who didn't speak very nicely with that servant. Therefore that servant was also very sad. In this way this circle happened. We infect the world with our ill humors. So we have our world around us, our people around us, and what kind of you behave with them, that way you infect or you make good atmosphere around you. If you have good humors, so people will like you. If you have bad humors, bad manner, then you are going to infect the atmosphere, the peoples around you. Bad manners probably do more to poison the stream, the general life, than all the crimes in the calendar. The meaning of calendar is given here. A calendar of cases arranged for trial in court. It means today there are many cases pending in the court, and if we consider about the cases of hurting people by the bad manner, bad behavior, bad humors, so those cases will be more than the cases actually pending in the courts. For one wife who gets a black eye. So what is the meaning of black eye? Black eye, it means a dark circle around our eye. From an otherwise good-natured husband, there are 100 who live a life of martyrdom. What is the meaning of martyrdom? Look at the meaning. It means a person choosing death or suffering to the great False. For one wife who gets a black eye from an otherwise good-natured husband, there are 100 who live a life martyrdom under the shadow of morose temper. Morose, it means unhappy, and temper, it means the condition of mind or feelings. So here the writer is giving us information or example that there are many ladies, there are many women who are living lives of very bad condition. Actually, normally their husbands are of good nature, but if this kind of incident happened with them in their office, so they became angry and they express their anger on their wife, and in this way we can see when there is dispute, there is fighting between husband and wife, so normally we can see the dark spot on the eyes of those kind of lady. They are living this kind of suffering life. They are actually accepting death in this kind of case, but they are not leaving their husbands. But all the same, the law cannot become the gardener. Look at the meaning of gardener. Guardian, it means protector. Guardian of our private manners. So, there is not any kind of law which can protect us from this kind of our particular or personal matters. We have to manage our own manners. We have to behave ourselves good. No decalogue. Decalogue, the meaning is given here. The 10 commandments. Commandments, it means divine laws given in Bible. No decalogue could cover the vast area of offences, and no court could administer a law which govern our social civilities, our speech. The tilt, look at the meaning of tilt. To move into sloping position. Tilt of our eyebrows and all our moods and manner. So, there are given 10 laws in Bible, that is called Decalogue. So that Decalogue couldn't cover all these kind of offenses. Offenses, it means crimes which were happening in this world. There is not any kind of court who can administer, manage or make some kind of law to govern, to rule this kind of social civility. Civility, it means politeness, it means courtesy. There is not any kind of law any court may and administer that law about our speech. No one can control on our speech. No one can always keep watch on our speech. If after watching someone we raise our eyebrow or express our anger, our surprise about that person, so there is not any kind of law to protect this kind of behaviors. This all about our moods and manner. This all depend on our moods and manner. If we are happy, then we will behave nicely with others. If we are sad, so we will behave very rudely with others. So in this way, we are going to stop here. Have a good day to all of you. Thank you very much.